श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणद्वयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनमनोहरं निवाससज्जासनपादुकांशुको उपधानवर्षातपवारणादिवि शरीरभेदस्तव शेषतां गतो यथोचितं शेषयिति ऋतो जने श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आई फर्स्ट ऑफर माई दंडवत प्रणाम। हिंदी में बोलो। Huh? Hindi.
English, everyone here is English.
Thursday come English, okay? 2 days after English class. Okay.
Both good.
So I first offer my Dhanvat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs. नितला पृष्ठोम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शशि भक्ति जीवन जनार्दन गोसाई महाराज नितला पृष्ठोम विष्णुपाद अष्ट भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोसाई महाराज ऑल श्री रूपानुगुरु बार्गस वैष्णव सन वैष्णव। So today's Baldev Purnima, appearance day of Baldev Prabhu. Raksha Bandhan is called also Chaturdasi, Ananta Chaturdasi, Raksha Bandhan. So Baldev Prabhu, he is the Krishna Swarup, none different. एक ही स्वरूप दुहे, भिन्न मात्र काय, आद्य काय विभु कृष्ण लीला रसा। सर्वावतारी कृष्ण स्वयं भगवान ताहर द्वितीय देह श्री बलराम। एक ही विग्रह दोहे, भिन्न मात्र काय, एक ही स्वरूप दोहे, भिन्न मात्र काय, आद्य काय विभु कृष्ण लीला रसा। So Krishna is the supreme tattva, is the supreme personality of Godhead, Sarva Avatari. He is the top Advai Gyan Tattva, Advai Gyan Vastu Braje Brajendra Nandan. But from him all come. So all are he. So Tattvan coming, but is coming none different from him. All for his supporter, his leelas, no? Helper, help to his leelas. Because Krishna is the bhokta, he is the enjoyer, and all arranging to his enjoyment. Akele Krishna, no? Prabhu or Sabhrit. Krishna alone is supreme, alone is Bhagavan, Lord, and all are servant. All every are dancing mood of service. Because service mood gives so much intoxicate. So Bhagavan also sometimes feels so much depression. Why I am Bhagavan? Because my servants too much dance, just my service. This ko he become Sachinandan Gaurhari. He Bhagavan, but same time saying everyone, don't tell I am Bhagavan. I want to be servant of Bhagavan, mood of Radhikas, no? So Krishna is Swam Bhagavan, and Swam Bhagavan in Swarup Shakti staying, because Shakti and Shaktimans none different. Because if take out Shakti, then what meaning of Shaktiman? What, no? Sachidanand. Sat Chit Anand is called to Shakti, Sandhani Shakti, Chit Shakti, Haladani Shaktis. Shaktis mean power. But Shakti, Shaktiman, same things. Power and personality, same things. And Bhagavad Vigraha, here can power, personality can be separate, my material world. Our body and our soul, no same. Material world. But Bhagavad Vigraha, no like that. Body of Bhagavan, no like that. So his real Swarup called Sachidanand. Sachidananda Rupaya. Satchit Anand. So Sat is Sandhini, who describe, who explain, who know, manifest all transcendental things. Because Sandhini is like Visuddh Sattva. Sandhini Sakti, what create? This all called Visuddh Sattva. So Satchit Anand, 3 are Krishna Swarup Sakti. Eternal Sakti, Antaranga Saktis. And 3 together work. Cannot separate. Together work, then complete Krishna service. Fulfill desire. Because together, no? Krishna Swarupas, this together. His Swarupa Sachidananda. But together cannot taste. In Krishna Swarupa have Satta, have knowledge, have Anand. He have also so much beauty, everything, no? But own Satta, own things, how can taste? Need to some support. Understood? Krishna have so nice, no? Everything. But Krishna needs some nice bed, nice fan, nice servant, nice water, nice food. Who can give? So Krishna's things came from out Krishna and give enjoyment to Krishna and happiness to Krishna. Because Krishna is alone, he is no Sarva Karan Karanam. So who will give to him anything? So he himself everything arrangementing. Isvara Param Krishna, Sachidanand Vigraha, Anadir, Adi Govinda, Sarva Karan Karanam. So his Swarup Saktis, one called to Sandhini, that Saktis, projected deities, no? Projecting deities, that is Baldev Prabhu. This department gave to Baldev Prabhu. And Baldev Prabhu, desire of Krishna, many things manifest in transcendental world, in Golok Vrindavan. Everything is Visuddh Sattva. No Rajogun, no Tamogun, no Sattva, Visuddh Sattva. This Golok Vrindavan, no any material things touch. Also there is not what called Sapna Jagra Susuptis. Leela's doing, but actually that place is Turiya. This place is not like material type. Here we something do, then tired, then go to sleep.
Wakeful state, dreaming state.
Like wake up and sleep and dream. These 3 things they are not. Turiya. Like full conscious, full Chetana, full Visuddh Sattvas, no? Because they are not darkness, they are not time. Here is no past, present, future, no, they are present. Always Vartaman. But if there any type this coming, if they sleep, or if they wake up, or if they dream, this is not worldly type, this is not material type, this is transcendental level all. Visuddh Sattva, so they are sleeping also Visuddh Sattvas. Waking on dream everything what coming, this is Visuddh Sattvas Vachitris, no, Leela Vachitris. Even sleeping, but still is no sleep like that. And Turiya Avastha, no need to sleep, no, they are always happy. Because they are not tired. So there's not any Maya's Vikram. So Baldev Prabhu, what making this all are beyond material world, beyond our thought. While in mercy of Baldev Prabhu, we can think, if he give power, his Guru Tattva, no, then we can think this all and can serve Krishna. So you heard everything Baldev Prabhu. Nivas means Golok Vrindavan, Sahasrapatra Kamalam, Gokulakhayam, Mahatpadam Tat, Karnikaram Tat, Dhamam Tad, Anansansa Sambhava. So he's himself, Nivas, Sajja, Krishna's bed, Krishna's asans, asan, his shoes, his umbrella, his cloth, his ornament, everything, all. In Brajas, all parikars, like Vasal Ras, Sakh Ras, Das Ras, all rasas parikar, he's existing Tattvas Baldev Prabhu. Even Krishna Swarup, what has Sandhani, this is, that Sakti, I know there, this Sakti is showing to Krishna has Swarupa. Sandhani means Satta, existing. So if Baldev Prabhu not, then how can exist? So this existing, but actually Krishna's things, but Krishna giving him this thing to do. Yes. Because for Leela looks like Sat Chit Anand, but in Tattva one, Jaj Jnanam Advayam. So Baldev Prabhu this all did, not satisfy more want, but more than that what can do? But still Krishna's like to many type do Leelas, Leela by Chitris. So Golok Vrindavan for Madhurja's Leelas. They are nameless Dasak Vasalya, this all, but all are Madhur, all are sweet. Madhurja means that's not Aishwarya entrance. That's called Madhurja Rupa. Krishna's two type Leela, Aishwarya Rupa, Madhurja Rupa. So Golok Vrindavan, all Leelas Madhurja Rupas. Jasoda mother Vasalya, so sweet. Every day 1-2 times do Krishna like this. Another mothers cannot. Devki, Vasudev, and another, what Mathura and Dwarka, they cannot, because Aishwarya too much, they cannot think like that. So this testing, but Krishna also want to Aishwarya because he's Rasik Sekhar, So he like to all type ras, all type taste, all varieties. You see how Rasik Sekhar, he no want one type Rakhi. So varieties of Rakhi, colors of Rakhi. It's like enjoyer, so many. On devotees, according to his mood, that mood reflect to devotee's heart, and devotees, this all bringing his desire, different type. So Baldev Prabhu is big servant of Krishna. So all his desire, he can understand which type he want. So this all did. So Krishna also want to Aishwarya's type, pure Aishwarya, then Ananda Vaikuntha, Maya Tite Vyapi Vaikuntha, Loke Sad Aishwarya Purne Chaturbhuha Madhye, Rupam Jasudvati Sankarsana Khyatan Nityananda Khya Ram Sarnang Mamastu. In Baldev Swarup, original Baldev Swarup, in Brajas all things manifest. But his another one Swarup that called Mahasankarsan. That's Mahasankarsan in Mathura, Dwarka and Vaikunthas, many things manifest. All their Leelas, all place, these all things. How is Golok Vrindavan similarly there also. But their mood is Aishwarya. Then after that also this three-path vibhuti, like 75% transcendental world. This all Vaikunthas and Golok Vrindavan all together 75%, that is transcendental areas. And 25% is material. This thing also described by him is another Swarup that called Mahavishnu. Karantosai. So Karantosai is for Leelas, this world also make, because this world also Krishna's Leela place. Here come on, he tastes some Bir Ras, Jujutsu Ras, because in Vaikunthas, Jai Vijay cannot give this type taste. Because that place like this type Leelas. So he like this some Bir Ras, some different varieties, then this world, this manifest by Mahavishnu, but Mahavishnu Kala of Baldev Prabhu. This Ansa of Sankarsan, then he become Kala of Baldev Prabhu. Mahavishnu, Ansa of Sankarsan, Mahasankarsan. और Mahasankarsan अंश of Baldev Prabhu. Baldev Prabhu Vilas Murti of Krishna, his Sarup. Baldev Prabhu, we heard Gurudev's only his Sarupas, only color different. But also Baldev Prabhu change color. Here can see Baldev become black, Krishna become white. Krishna use flute, he use singa, his yellow cloth, Krishna, Baldev blue cloth. Some this only cloth on color change, but everything same. Because Bhakta Bhagavan, one level coming not different. Same, but still pride must be there. I am servant and he is my Prabhu. So Baldev Prabhu same, but his pride always, I am servant of Krishna. And he teaching whole world, everyone should be servant of Krishna. How possible? Then saying you be servant of servant Krishna, then you can become servant Krishna. Krishna das, Chaitanya das mui, Chaitanya das, tar das mui, tar das. This type Nityananda Prabhu teaching. I am Chaitanya's servant, Chaitanya. But no, I am servant of servant like that. I mean, who can serve my Krishna? I can serve him. I can help him. I give him. Actually, Gurudev, too much merciful. We want to serve Krishna. This way, Gurudev all thing giving. Gurudev servicing to us. All my bad thing taking or good thing giving. This is like name of Guru Bhakti we are taking from Gurudev. Indirectly, Gurudev is our servant, doing our seva. Understand? Like child, what can serve to parents? Child, sitting on passing. Then mother, father come, mother on clean, slap, like this, So this child do seva to mother, father, mother, father doing seva to child. So Gurudev is like that, we are very small child, very baby. Too much this coming everywhere. And then Gurudev clean this all. How much kind, how much mercy. Anyhow like to be good. This is Nityananda Prabhu saying, who can serve my Krishna? I can be his servant, I can help him. Means how much love for Krishna, Anyone can do my Krishna seva, I can help him. So this is like real devotional mood, no pride. His big position, but always his every jiva pushing. Very kind, very merciful. You can hear his many pastimes, so merciful. So this katha later you will hear. So this Mahavishnu, this whole universe create. Billions, countless, on different size. Our universe very small size, 500 crores jojans, and square. Square means what called like long distance and means both distance, lambai, lambai and chaudai. Square, like 20 by 20, 100 by 100 like this.
500 crore square
jojan. But this area, like square. On another many, million, billion jojans, crores. And there Brahma's head also according to area, big, Here is 4, another is many. So Mahavishnu's, his desire, Sisrichu, like Krishna have 3 desires. One desire is Jujutsu, one is Rirangsu. Rirangsu, Golok Vrindavan doing all Leelas, means play. And he want to some Virras, then this Raman, Kumbhakaran, this type, Hirnacharan, Kaspudev arranging to this thing. And he want to many things describe, manifest this world also, material creation. Then Mahavishnu's. From him, Mool Prakritis, desire Mool Prakriti came out. A Mool Prakriti Mahatatvas, then Mahatattva make Ahankar, Rajas, Tamas, Tejas, different ahankar. From them this Suchma, no, Sarir coming, Sthul coming, Suchma coming, this all Panch Mahabhut and Man, Buddhi, Chita, Ahankar, this all come. This all together becoming egg, anda. So Mahavishnu just desire this all doing. He not touch to Maya. Ekoham bahut syama. I am alone, I want to be many. Just desire, then Prakriti. Holding hand, what I can do? You are my Prabhu. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna saying, Maya dhachena Prakriti suyate sacharacharam. Hetu anena konte jagat vipri parivartantat vartate. By my guidance, my supervision, this Maya's everything doing. This world is doing. So Mahavishnu just own bodies, effulgence, this jyotis, hatching to this egg, this universe. This all together, but this cannot work without his power. So Jiva's one type hatching, Jiva going to inside this body, or another also is giving power to Maya. How can say like egg, just egg, but egg without sitting bird on top or without thinking that cannot work, cannot movement. Like tortoise egg, fish egg and bird's egg, three type egg, different way function. Matsya kurma vihangama, darshan dhyana sansparse. Matsya looking on egg distantly, and by looking he give him energy. Then can another fish come out. If you no look, cannot this, but hatching. Matsya kurma meditate. Tortoise egg putting somewhere outside water. And he's somewhere sitting or thinking on egg and bird. Many birds do like that, no? So this. And this another bird is sitting on. So Mahavishnu's just his desire, his body's thing, no, just a prabhavato jagadanda koti sasesa vasudhadi vibhuti bhinnam tad brahma niskalam ananta sesa bhutam govinda madhi purusam tamaham bhaja. From his breath came out this whole universe, just like a niswasit kala mathavalamba jivanti lom vilja jagadanda all under, all universe called egg. This all many came on his hatching to that egg. Inside putting these jivas like, क्या बोलते किरण, rays, a small rays of that light, that is jivas, anu. This way this all came. Then he become Garbhodak Vishnu, many egg empty, many universe, but no one take care to that. Then he become many Vishnus, that called Garbhodak Vishnu. And he go every egg inside. Then half egg fill up by water. He going but nothing support to him. He feel uncomfortable. His arrangement himself. Then he make water on putting one nice bed. That called Ananta says. Himself becomes says. And resting to him, he becoming supporter. Means is using him like bed, sleeping on that. Santa Karang Bhujaga Sainam. From his navel came, Brahma came. And then Brahma, mercy of him, this all thing doing, no? All Upadan taking and all creating this everything. First Vishnu is the real Nimit and Upadan. But this Upadan thing after he gave to Prakritis, and Prakritis things Brahma took and this all create. So Baldev Prabhu's original Swarup doing Seva Golok Vrindavan, too much help, because he is Krishna's Guru, he is Krishna's friend, he is Krishna's servant. What not relation? Before he was just servant, when Lakshman Prabhu, that time he cannot tell anything Ramchandra. Wrong and right, everything okay. So he feels so uncomfortable. This younger brother not good position. So saying next time I will not come with you. Or if you will take me with you, then only one condition, I become your elder brother, you my younger brother, and I will control to you. Means what I want, this way you have to do. But Krishna is very clever, saying, okay, come. Time will tell. Okay, be my elder brother. But Baldev Prabhu, any position, no small or bigger, he always have to serve Krishna. According to desire, he cannot cross. But sometimes taking some advantage, I am bigger. Then when Krishna Baldev Prabhu go to cow grazing, then Baldev Prabhu said, too much tired. You come my lap. Krishna said, no, I like to more play. I am your elder brother. I am your guru. You follow to me. You have to sleep here. Then cannot do no immediate apply his power and putting to Krishna like this and too much massage. And saying, oh my baby, too much running, too much playing is not good for health. Okay, little good, but 24-hour running here, there, this way, not too much basal. Too much affection for Krishna. And many things he like to help. But Krishna's no need to support himself too much doing many asura killing this, that. Then one time complaint came. Baldev Prabhu, your name is Balaram, but just Baladev. Too much you have power. But what you doing? Putanas and Saktasur, Tirnavarth, Aghasur, Bakasur, many asuras, Krishna is killing. Then Baldev Prabhu doing like this. Show me which person I can kill. He becomes. So saying that this Dhenukasur, my share is donkey. Yes, he killed to all donkey. Because only you can kill this donkey mind, stupid mind, who can serve Krishna. So this katha, no, he killed to Dhenukasur, he killed to Pralambasur, who is like, Aham Grahopasak, no, I am Brahma, like this. So Guru only this type thing can kill. So Baldev Prabhu this way many leelas doing. Krishna leela Sahai. Baldev Krishna's anywhere go brajas outside cow grazing, always you can see Krishna hand Baldev Prabhu's shoulder. But this way he walk. Syamam Hiranya Paradim Vanamalya Barah, many places mentioning. And Gopi also saying, Achan Batang Phalamidam na Param Vidama Sakhya Pasunanu Vives Jatur Vyasya Bhakta Sutayo Ranu Venu Justam Jairva Nipita Manurakta Katacha Mocham. Our eyes, this is the real goal. This is the fruit of eyes. Which type? Achan Batam Phalam Idam na Param Vidama Sakhya Pasunanu Vives Jatur Vyasya. When Krishna with Baldev Prabhu and all cowherd boys together surrounding him on walk in Vrindavan street. In that time, Barjasa Sutayo Ranu Venu Justam. Baldev Prabhu's hand is Krishna's shoulder, Krishna's hand is Baldev Prabhu's shoulder. And Baldev Prabhu 5 inch, 1 feet little ahead, Krishna little back. Walking together, but Krishna little like this. Because he back side or this side, that side doing. No, he like to avoid to Baldev Prabhu what I am doing. So saying Brajesh Sutayo Anu, who are little behind to Baldev Prabhu, that Krishna. He look. I mean, they are not directly telling to just look to Krishna, using also Baldev Prabhu, but actually they are not. Goal is Baldev Prabhu, but on like, how can say, if something want, something like to indirect, but directly cannot say, I like this thing. This is no, this Gopi Bhav is like hiding to own mood. Or Baldev Prabhu's good excuse for hiding. If someone say, why looking this side? Saying, I just looking Baldev Prabhu, look how he is walking front. Because Baldev is front, I am not looking what is behind. So this way they can own thing hide. So saying this is our life's goal, eyes goal. When Krishna Baldev go to cow grazing, and we can see that beauty. Barasutay Ranu Venu Justam Jairva Nipita Manur. So this is Krishna Leela Re Sahai. First way Baldev Prabhu helping to Krishna to walk, and another way also nourishing to many ras. And Gopis Bhav, they can hide through Baldev Prabhu. So in Braja like that, Baldev Prabhu when went to Dwarka, and there, because his nature so much suhirda, his when name came, that time Gargachar said, I am he Rohini Putro Ramyan Suhirdo Gune. Akhya Saste Rama iti baladhikad balam vidu. This is your son's qualities, Rohini Nandans. This is the son of Rohini. I am Rohini Putro. He's so sweet quality, Ramyan. He make everyone happy. No make any quarrel and fight. You see, Baldev Prabhu no like to big fight. Mahabharat, he going to holy places. No involved. One time, son of Jambati, name is Sam. He heard Duryodhana's daughter Lakshmana's marriage competition going. And Sam liked to her. She also indirectly liked to Sam, but not telling to father Duryodhana. Otherwise he make problem. Anyhow, but problem also because Duryodhana arrangement, many king come, prince. What called? Princess. And who like my daughter can marry, can put garland. Or when Sam heard, then saying what to wait, he going inside and kidnap to her. Then some army, some soldier like to stop, but who can stop to Sam? Because he is no son of Krishna, so powerful. So no one can stop him. When he is taking on, start to walk in chariot. No. Then Duryodhana saying to Karna, Bhurisarva and Sal, Dronacharya and Bhishma Pitama not so much interested. Saying Sam is young boy, we are senior, older, why I put him? This is our respect. On what he is doing? His Kshatriya's dharma. Any Kshatriya can, like this time marriage, can kidnap, can do. So he is doing, why I interfere? But Duryodhana saying, no, this is disrespect. I no want to marry that, him or my daughter also not like to him. So we cannot tolerate. Then all together, Karna, Salya, Bhurisarva, Duryodhana attack to Sam. But Sam alone beating everyone. 6 arrow. 4 arrow to horses, 1 to him, 1 to chariot driver. So Karna shooted by him, Duryodhana, everyone. Then they sing, Vah Vah, no? What called Vah Vah? Marvelous, marvelous. Really, your hand, you are fighting like so sharp. We just thinking to shoot you, and before that you like lightning, immediately touch to everyone. So they realize we alone cannot defeat him. One fight cannot defeat him. He is very powerful. Then all together, these 4 people also all armies together attack. And Leelas, they anyhow, his horse killed, his driver killed, and making him little unconscious, and captured and tied by rope and brought. Then Narad Muni, Narayan, Narayan, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. What is this Leela going? This way he came to Dwarkapuri and telling to Krishna. Krishna's hearing in assembly of Ugrasen Maharaj, there Narad Muni all describing. Then all Jaduvanshi becomes so warm. Everyone taking sword and all weapons and putting armature. Chalo. So like this, that is the big disrespect. Krishna also ready because all chalo, then Krishna cannot say I need to go because he said, then people say you are no like to fight. But Baldev Prabhu saying no. Kaurav also our family. We have blood relation. We have marriage to them, no? Like this something. Anyhow, or some also want to make relationship. So good way, deal. Peaceful way, deal. So Baldev Prabhu said, everyone, no one go to fight. I go myself and I take care everything. So when Baldev Prabhu decision, then Krishna also back, okay. Elder brother, no, cannot say you cannot take decision. I am elder brother, so I am going myself, I look. Because Baldev Prabhu too much love to them. He too much love to Duryodhana. He teach him this. club.
fighting.
This cause he no like to him, kill and disrespect. Too much affection. On Kauravas thinking, because Krishna Baldev together, this was very powerful. If one person break and mix to our side, then we can become more strong. But we cannot break to Krishna, we no need to Krishna, he is a big cheater. But Baldev is very simple. If he become my party, then any problem, all problem dissolved. Then no one can defeat to us. This way also they try to, Baldev Prabhu change. So Baldev Prabhu very peacefully going on some Jadu Bansas, old Kshatriyas who are respected, they also went with Baldev Prabhu. At the outside Hastinapur, one garden, staying, and Baldev Prabhu on message passed through Uddhav and said, tell to Duryodhan what happened, be no mind, but quickly marriage and send my nephew and my, son-in-law. Because Sam is my, like one type son, no? So this type some daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law with my son, no? Just marriage and send. So when Uddhav talking like this, then Duryodhan very angry. He's saying, what is Jaduban's power? They have no any kingdom in right. Be from right, because Puruvans, Jajati Maharaj gave him power from beginning, Puruvans, Purus, all dynasty become king. But Jadus, curse, Jadus. This because Jaduvansis are sitting on asans. This is our mercy. Because we thinking, okay, no problem. But now, they too much overstep. We just kindly not telling anything, but they don't think same time we are high position. They are very low position. They are like sewage place. Underneath to sewage, like dust. Dust is very low, sewage going on top to that. But sometimes hitting by boot, and this dust come on head. So he speak like like mad type, We are crown, we are head, we are superior, you are dust, you are sewage, you are this, that. Then Baldev Prabhu saying, this part barking or not? Because this is the main part. If this not bark, his head not bark proper, then headache.
Balaram also Yadubams also.
Yes, because Krishna Jadubansi, Vasudev's son. No?
Why do you say that? Why? Because you want to say Balaram also Puru Balaram. Why do you speak like that to Balaram?
Because Balaram like this thing, but Duryodhan no like relation to Jadubansas. Saying our position respect high on marriage, or on enemy makes same position. So who can marry your dynasty? Your position not like us.
But you not thinking it's also disrespect to Balaram?
Yes, thinking, but sometimes madness, Thinking I have Bhishma Pitama, Dronacharya, I have many big fighters. So what alone Baldev do? Because they're thinking Baldev Prabhu is like one ordinary personality, one ordinary human. So when talking about Baldev Prabhu know his Iswar Tattva, and Bhagavan always kind to Jiva. He know Jiva is like one frog, but frog is becoming very puffy. One frog got 50 pies. And he's going on big street and sitting like this. Who is bigger than me? Then another frog came, another tortoise came saying, you are nothing, you are small, more than bigger elephant. Then his head spin. How much bigger? It's like 50 gram air putting inside. This much. Then they're too much laughing, saying as much you can puff, but cannot be that much. Then he's very angry. Too much air putting on blast. Why this madness? Because I have 50 pies. This I'm very rich. So they become like that, too much. Then Baldev Prabhu said, this is order of Ugrasen Maharaj. I came. Who no follow to Ugrasen Maharaj order? He is our Prabhu. Or who not follow to Krishna? Krishna no sitting king, kingdom, throne, but is never less than king. See, Indra himself sending to Sudharma Sabha, Parijat trees, many things servicing to Krishna. Jasangri Pankaja, Akhile Lokapale, Molle Uttame Dhritam, Tirtha Tirtham, Brahma Aham Jasa Kala Kalaya, Sri Chod Behema Nirpa Asanam Kwa. Jasangri Pankaja, Krishna's lotus feet, dust and his charnamrit, water, all Lokpal putting on head. He asked to Shiva, his great personality, Mahadev. Mahadev putting this on head. And Shiva, Shivobhut. I put that thing my head. All are his order following, Brahma, Shiv, myself. So for him, nothing, this is small position. Krishna give everyone position on respect. But this way talking, Baldev Prabhu, no. Realize they will not change by lecture. Because some animals, if teach like what called, buffalo, front buffalo, a nice song, nice, this, this sapera, charmacher, what called this? Snake charmacher. Charmer.
Snake.
This what called?
Snake flute.
Snake flute we play. If this snake flute is played front to buffalo, do you know buffalo? Buffalo. He no understand what is meaning of this, what is sweetness this. He just mouthing. No understand. So Baldev Prabhu thinking, if I say just verbally, then thinking, okay. So Baldev Prabhu is very angry. It's like, no, in ocean, no, some this coming, no, Jwar Bhata.
Anger.
No, in ocean sometime, no, too much disturb come, no, like big waves come. This one type, no, Bhata inside, no, some fire comes something, no, then become very, like his waves, like mountain, like Himalaya, this type. On big area can, no, draw it, sink. So Baldev Prabhu become like that. And then he took on hull and just Hasapurs, 2-3 times doing like this, and inside and pulling. Because for Baldev Prabhu nothing. Baldev Prabhu, one answer, Anantas, this all universe keeping on head like seed. So if some area, like 5,000 or 5, not lakhs, 1,000 square foot area, just move, nothing for him. So when he moving, then whole Hastinapur like this, become like boat. Anytime go inside water.
You want to drag to
Ganga. At that time, Bhishma Pitama saying, why without death killing to us? Why this step doing? Who can stop to Baldev Prabhu? Then Duryodhana realized. He also before had to Dhritarashtra and Vyasa Muni on another great personality who is Baldev, who is Krishna. Or when problem came, then his all Tattva knowledge came in mind. And immediately running and pranam to Baldev Prabhu feet. Pahi mam racha mam, jai jai deva achut ananta paratpara. Swayang ananta driganta srutam sur munindra phanindra barayate musaline baline haline nama. He Dhenukare, he Pralambare, you killing big Dhenukasur, Dvid, he is very powerful, no one can defeat to them. Pralambasur, you just them kill like mosquito, just smash like this. Baldev Prabhu Pralambasur just one time, Hari bol. Dhenukasur 2-3 times, finish. Baldev Prabhu fighting no long playing. He is very strong, no? So Mustik Chanur, Mustik, Baldev Prabhu asking, who are you? Mustik, and just he going inside, smash. So his fight like that. In 5 seconds, everything Haribol, no too much playing. So they're saying, protect me, save me, protect me. I don't know your tattvas. No, but forget. He remind to us because sometimes animals not proper way coming by tattvas, then by stick doing. So like this. So take this, my daughter, take this everything, and then many, what called Dahej, like many elephants, like many thousand elephants, very old elephant, many dasis, gold, this, that. Dowry. Many dowry, give too much. And then Baldev Prabhu brought to Dwarkas. So this is the nature of Baldev Prabhu. So kind, so merciful. So it's many pastimes, no time. So this all world, what we are looking, this is the Baldev Prabhu. So Baldev Prabhu for Krishna Seva, this all make. And then that place Krishna enjoying. But another side, if no Radhika Swarup, then also Krishna's problem. If some person have nice bed, nice eating, nice drinking, nice facility, everything, but no one like, no one love, what happened? So Radharani's love have this cause Krishna like this all things. If she no love, then Krishna's no sleeping on bed. Jayadev Goswami writing, no? Like this. Biluthati Dharani Bahu Jalpasi Tabarnam. Bihita Bipivana Bitane. He leaving to bed, he leaving to everything, and he in forest staying. And he's not sleeping on bed, on rolling earth. Radhe Radhe, Jai Radhe, Sri Radhe. So these Sandhanis and Sambits, essence that called Radhikas. Because outside Sandhani, how much have beauty, how much have service mood, Radharini alone, her Swarup, herself, this all carrying. Krishna Seva Bastir, this is called, no, Krishna Sevas, no, Murtis. Her mind, body, soul, chit, everything, too much serve to Krishna. So this cause Krishna happy, Sat, Anand together give him on also Chit. So Radharani Sat or Chit taking essence and give more happy. This cause Baldev Prabhu, too much respect to Radhika also. He know my power, my seva, how much doing, this is okay. But when Radhika seva coming, that time Krishna no care to my seva. That time he no sleeping to my bed, no. If no Radharani happy, then he going to down like this. So when Mahaprabhu become Radhika Swarup in Rath Jatra time, then Baldev Prabhu, Nityan Prabhu become very distant for doing pranam. Sahi China Hela Prabhu Radhika re Murti, Dur hai te Nityan Prabhu karile na stuti. So all three together, too much reconcile each other, understand and serve to Krishna. Krishna also, yes, Bengal, many things, this Nityan. So like this. So now the offer to Thakurji, so time is over. बोलो श्री बलदेव प्रभु की जय, श्री बलदेव पूर्णिमा की जय, सचिनंदन गौर हरि की जय, श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे। कृपा करो हम पे ललित माधव, हे भक्त वत्सल कहाने वाले, तुम ही हो माखन चुराने वाले, तुम ही हो रास रचा, तुम ही हो मुरली बजाने वाले। कृपा करो हम पे ललित माधव, हे भक्त वत्सल कहाने वाले। कृपा करो हम, हे भक्त वत्सल कहाने वाले, तुम हो माखन चुराने वाले, तुम हो मुरली बजाने वाले। कृपा करो हम पे ललित माधव, हे भक्त वत्सल कहाने, ग्वाल बाल संग खेल रचाया, ब्रजजनों के प्रेम तुमने पाया। गोपी प्रेम डूब जाने वाले हे प्रेम, गोपी प्रेम डूब जाने वाले हे ब्रज प्रेम बढ़ाने वाले। कृपा करो हम पे ललित माधव, हे दीन बंधो कहो। तुम्ही ने ब्रज से प्रलय हटाया, करो हम पे ललित माधव, हे दीन बंधो का। तुमने गोपियों को वचन दिया है, तुमने उन संग रास किया है। भक्त हित क्या न करने वाले, हे वृंदावन में विहरने वाले। कृपा करो पे ललित माधव, हे दीन बंधो कहान। तुम्हें पुकारी थी द्रौपदी ने, प्रहलाद को बचाया तुम्ही ने। तुम्हें हो चीर बढ़ाने वाले, तुम्हें हो खम्भ से आने वाले। कृपा करो हम पे ललित माधव, हे दीन बंधो। मित्र सुदामा टंडुल लाए, प्रेम सहित प्रभु भोग लगाए। विदुरानी के छिलका पाने वाले, भक्तों के मान बढ़ाने वाले। कृपा करो हम पे ललित माधव, हे भक्त बंध, हे दीन बंधो कहाने वाले। हे जसुदानंदन ब्रजन रंजन, दया करो हे सब जग बंधन। छुड़ा दो मेरा ये भव बंधन, हे गज के बंधन छुड़ाने वाले। कृपा करो हम पे ललित माधव, हे दीन बंधो कहाने। कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम राम राम। जय कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण बलराम, कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण। जय राधा ललित माधव, जय राधा ललित माधव, राधा ललित माधव जय। निताय गौर हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल। निताय गौर हरि बोल, हरि बोल। निताय गौर हरि। जय श्री कृष्ण बलराम जी झूलन यात्रा महामहोत्सव की जय। श्री बलदेव पूर्वभाव तिथि की जय। रक्षा बंधन की जय। श्री राधालित माधव लाल जू की जय। श्री गुरुदेव की जय। श्री रूपानुगुरु वर्ग की जय। श्री गौर प्रेमानंद। व्हाट इज टाइम? 1